my goodness, I have to show you. Only 2 days after ordering the envelopes, they are already here. So let's unpack. Welcome to my studio, also known as storage room for now. Wow, I haven't been here for quite some time. We shared this room with my partner. It was supposed to be like primarily my studio in his office. I think today is the day when I start preparing the painting for a month one. It will be quite difficult to get. It's over there on the top of the shelves. But here on the bottom, I'm drying herbs for tea for winter. So I don't know how to get there, especially with baby in the carrier, but I'll try to move the whole sheet. All right, so let's find the correct painting. Could it be this one? Yeah. And all those paintings are for, almost all of them are for the Courage series. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are ready. Only the sides need to be painted. But 5 are ready, and here is the 6th one. Yeah, that's the latest one. So this is the number 6. This is the 7th one, the one that I will be working on for a month one. Oh my goodness, I have to show you. Only 2 days after ordering the envelopes, they are already here. So let's unpack. They are, I love the color. I am not sure if you see on the screen what I see, but in real life they're slightly darker, less orangey. What I see on my phone, as I'm recording on the phone, what I see on the phone is slightly more orangey shade than in real life. They are a little bit shiny, a little bit metallic, but not officially. But they look like there's a slight shine to them, and I really love them. I love the square format. They're 15 by 15 centimeters. My prints will be 13 by 13, and oh my goodness, I'm so in love. Let me know in comments what do you think about those envelopes. And not only that, let me know what you think about prints in a size of 13 by 13 centimeters.